Hang on a sec. Are you considering using one of GEA's automated milking systems, or do you already use the Monobox or DairyProQ to milk your cows? Let me tell you about GEA's innovative M6850 somatic cell count sensor that makes it much easier to detect the early onset of mastitis and helps you minimize treatment time. Starting today, we continuously keep a close eye on the milk at every udder quarter. By providing precise cell count classes at each individual quarter, the sensor not only helps identify which cow is affected, it indicates exactly which udder quarter is at risk. Sometimes I've wondered why the GEA M6850 monitors milk continuously throughout the entire milking process. From cluster attachment to detachment, it's the sensor that never sleeps, reporting any irregularities in somatic cell count concentrations in real time. Do we need any resources to run this state-of-the-art technology? None at all, because the GEA Dairy Milk M6850 sensor performs its measurements purely physically using a patented method. Based on the EPT principle, it works around the clock and requires no additional resources. That's what I call efficiency. At what point should you decide to use the GEA Dairy Milk M6850? At any time. The sensor can be optimally installed in both the Monobox and DairyProQ systems, as part of a newly planned system, or as an upgrade to a running installation. That's design flexibility for your dairy production. Early detection, fast reaction times, and safe, accurate monitoring. Altogether, the GEA Dairy Milk M6850 gives you superior sensor technology to improve productivity. And that's the perfect formula for efficiency. Make your move into the future.